How to fix memory integrity can't be turned on Windows 11 or 10. First thing that you can do is to restart your laptop. Sometimes minor issues like this can get fixed with a simple restart. Now go to the search bar on your taskbar, type in Core Isolation and open it. Inside Core Isolation, you will see an interface like this. Here you will see a section called Memory Integrity. As you can see, it is turned on now. If you have an option called Review Incompatible Drivers, then click on it. After that, you will see one or more drivers listed as incompatible. Make sure that you note down the driver names. If you don't see anything, then that means there's no problem. After you note down the driver's name, you will need to open your device manager. Go back to your desktop, open your device manager. You can press Window key plus X key on your keyboard to open device managers. Here you will see all the drivers on your computer. Expand categories like display, network, system, and etc. to find the driver with the same name that you noted down. After that, right click on the driver to update it. Once updated, your problem should be fixed. If you are still facing issues, then try taking professional help. That's all for today. Thank you.